So how do you use chatbots in marketing? I get this question all the time. People think that chatbots, especially the ones on Facebook, people need to visit their Facebook page and they're like, well, there's not many people who look like my page, so there's not going to be many people who actually come and use my chatbot. I think it's a waste of time. And nothing could be further than the truth, because here's the cool thing about these chatbots is that you do not need anybody to go to your Facebook page to start the chatbot. In fact, there are a number of ways that you can get people to join your chatbot without even going to Facebook at all. Let me show you what they look like, and then you can get an idea of how that works. So the first one is links. Now, as you can see here, the link on the bottom of my signature has a link to see and start a chatbot. Where every time I send an email out, this link goes out to people. If they want to click on it, they click on the link from inside an email. It opens up Messenger, whether they're on their phone or on their computer, and it starts the chatbot process. So there's links on your email signature. It may be links on your business card. You might have some links on your business card that you want people to click on or type into the browser, which can also start your chatbot. Think about this. If you're out and about and you have a chatbot for your business card like we do, and you can see the example here, this particular business card starts the conversation with somebody when we meet them for the first time. And there's also things like click here or links inside your website. Let's say you do a blog post and you want people to sign up for more information about the topic you've written an article about. You can have a link here that people click on, automatically starts the process of the bot. So that's links. The second one is scan codes. Scan codes are great. I think they're still underused a lot, but I can see how they're going to grow in the future. Now, scan codes can be used on, in our case, our business card has got a scan code on it. But let's say a name badge. Let's say you go to an expo or an event and you're wearing a name badge. You put your little scan code on your name badge. You can get people to sign up for your list, your database, or whatever it is that you're selling, or just wanting to share some information by them scanning that scan code. Now, usually you don't need a lot of apps or a lot of technical nous to start scan codes these days. In fact, if you've got an iPhone, just your camera will automatically start a scan code. What about table talkers or places of high trafficked areas? Let's say you're a gym. You have a little stand on the side that might be enter our competition to win. And as they scan it, you're collecting that information. You're starting them into a chatbot so that you can build that database as well. It may be on a magazine. We've had a client recently who sent out thousands of postcards in the mail. Every single postcard had a chatbot scan code on it. And when people scan it, he started building his list that way. So whatever you can think of, wherever you can print a scan code, you can put it on your you can put it out there for people to join you as well. So that's scan codes. What about comments? Now, this is a really cool one. As you can see here on the screen, this is our friend Andrew, who runs a company called NRV Eats. And what he did here in this little particular post was he wanted to run a competition to find the best Mexican food. He was giving away a $20 gift certificate for anybody, or for the winner that he selected for that particular that competition. So what he did was he said, if you comment and let me know what is the most popular Mexican food place or your favorite Mexican food place in the comments below, I will give you, or put you in the draw for the prize. Now, here's the cool thing about this. You can see that this particular post here garnered 1.9 thousand comments, 52 shares, and 202 likes. Facebook loves this sort of stuff. And what happened when somebody put their restaurant in the comments below that post? You guessed it, the chatbot automatically started, and it took them through a process of collecting their information and their data so that they could go in the prize draw to win the prize. Now, do you think that that's all they did? No, Andrew put them into the list so that he could use and market to those people later. But going back to this is a comments tool, so you can create an ad on Facebook. You can get people to comment on particular posts, and as soon as they do that, the bot starts and you've collected their data as well. A very, very, very good tool to be using. The other thing you can have is what we call website overlays. So you can see here in this image here that up the top, it says find out how we can show your ROI for your marketing. This is from our website earlier this year. We have it set so that when someone lands on our website and after 30 seconds of being on our website, it pops up over the top so they can start that conversation as well. We also had one on the side here where this happened as they scrolled down the page. They would get to, let's say 50% of the page scrolled down, and this little notification would shoot in from the right-hand side. And just reminding them, if you want to see a demo of how chatbots work, you can click on this little button here. So you can see how websites, any page on your website, all pages on your website, or just specific ones can have the conversation start. So if you've got a website with lots of people coming to your website, chatbots can be implemented on any page that you've got there. And of course, you can also have buttons and widgets. Click on the button, that will also start the conversation for your chatbot as well. All right, so there's how to use some chatbots. There's how to implement those chatbots in the first place. As I said, you do not need to go or have your customers or potential customers go to your Facebook page, because let's face it, no one's going to pages these days. You can use them where they're at. Meet the people where they're at, get them into your chatbot, and then you can start that process from there. All right, I'm Andrew McCauley, looking forward to seeing you more on more of our videos about chatbots.